Hey guys, I'm Sophie. I'm one of your supply specialists here with the Sii Store at Stitch It International. And today I'm going to be talking to you guys about FlexSoft, one of our papers that we sell. Today I'm going to be doing a demonstration on our 11x17 neon green. I went ahead and pre-printed out my logo and I printed off in black. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be placing our FlexSoft paper with the shiny side down. And then we're going to be placing our adhesive paper like so, with the lettering on the adhesive side facing up. Next, we're going to place our silicone sheets. And we are going to slide it into our heat press. I have it set at 270 and we're going to be doing it on a 4 pressure, and we're going to be doing it for the full 2 minutes, so the full 120 seconds. So we're going to go ahead and lock this in. Alright, so it looks like we only have about 10 seconds left. So one thing I just want to cover is you want to make sure that you do this for the full 120 seconds, otherwise it may mess up. We're going to pop it out. And we are going to remove our silicone sheets. And we are going to peel this as smoothly as we possibly can. Oh, that's hot. Alright, now that we got it peeled, I'm going to set this down. And we're going to cut off the excess. I've already done that, so here is what it's going to look like once you cut your excess off. Next, you're going to be grabbing your t-shirt. So I already pre-pressed mine, but you just want to set it onto your plate and you want to just press it for about 3 seconds or so. When placing your shirt down, you want to make sure that your collar is not on here, and you want to make sure it's just hanging off the edge a little bit. And you're going to line everything up. And then we're going to center our design onto the t-shirt. It only needs to be about 3 inches down or to your preferred liking. Then you're going to place your silicone sheets right back on. And you're going to slide it into the heat press, and this time you're only going to be doing it for 30 seconds. So once your screen says 90 seconds, that's when you know to pull it out. And now we wait just the 30 seconds. Alright, so our 30 seconds is up. We're going to pull it out and remove our silicone sheets. And now you want to place your shirt to the side to let it cool, and room temperature is fine. Alright, while that's setting to the side to cool, I'm just going to kind of tell you guys a little bit about the FlexSoft paper. We sell it in 8.5 by 11 sheets and 11 by 17s. We sell them in a 10-piece pack and a 100-piece pack. And if you would like to purchase this, you can give me a call at Stitch It International, or you can place it online on the siistore.com. Alright, so our shirt is now cool. And whenever you peel off your FlexSoft paper, you want to do it in a rolling motion. So you just take the corner of the paper, and we are just going to gently roll it like so. And when you peel it off, first thing it's going to look like it is really shiny. If you do not want it this shiny, you can go ahead and place it back into the heat press for an additional 30 seconds and it will not be as shiny. So like I said before, we are using the 11x17 neon green FlexSoft. Like I said, you guys can order it through our siistore.com, and I'm Sophie, one of your supply specialists. Nice talking to you guys.